As they make their way through to the mating grounds in the north. Slash bar. It's the same thing. So we're on our northern adventure around Phu Quoc'S, and to be perfectly honest, it's shit. It is. Phu Quoc'S is a shithole, surrounded by resorts and shanties around the resorts. Anybody who tells you that resorts bring prosperity to an area is either rich or stupid. But we found a mountain trail through the jungle, and within 2 minutes we found some beasties. Beasties eating a tree. There's loads of them. Big, massive, furry caterpillars. One of them tried to eat my eyeball. It was hanging from a tree as we were riding along and splattered me in the face. It stuck to me sunglasses. Didn't realise what it was, so it started crawling across me. It was around the jungle time. It's a lot prettier. If you can stay away from the resorts and the built up areas. I can imagine this place used to be really, really beautiful, because this is gorgeous. We're in Rach Vem right now. Pretty unique place, I've not seen anything like this before. It's not a floating village, it's a pier village. The heavy fishery area with little restaurants on the end of the piers and the jetties. Beautiful, beautiful sky. Away from the concrete, shiny resorts, which I hate with a passion. Beautiful. People are really nice. Just check out this sky. Quick soda.
Mix it up, sweetie, because you're just going to be drinking straight condensed milk right now.
Sorry, roll. Rub it on my gums. It's quick soda. Then back into town before it gets dark. Well, get on the main road before it gets dark. It's a bit like dirt riding on the way to get here. Didn't drop it once, did we? Expert. Beautiful place. It is, isn't it? Phu Quoc'S tips. Do not, I repeat, do not take the scenic route across to Fingernail Island up the coast, because you will come across the dirt bikiest road that you can negotiate with a moped, and then it stops. Somebody has cut the road and put a resort in the middle which you can't negotiate around. So it's a good 15-20 minutes till you realise that you can't go any further. Stick to the roads, just stick to the roads, cut them through. You won't be able to get to the resort beach. A lot of the areas around the resorts just look dilapidated and run down, and nobody's actually feeling the benefits of those resorts whatsoever, are they? I would recommend that, yeah. If you've never been into a jungle before. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd recommend this. This is quite
Okay, travel junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here, and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used, or anything to do with traveling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you Groovy Cats next time.